Hey, what up guys? It's Brian here at Austin Auto Finishes, just showing you behind the scenes. It's all about prep. So we repaired this one. This one again, it's another really old one. So we got to worry about it totaling out, things like that. We got a wrap on it, of course, really pretty color. But yeah, it's all about the prep, guys. And you don't really know that you're getting shit until down the road, especially when you're OCD like us. We want to be the best in service, handling the insurance for y'all, putting up with that nightmare. But yeah, so we got old TJ, Frank Dixon right here. Big repair right in here. Big repair down in the lower extension. We're gonna make the paint flawless. Then we'll come back and wrap the car, put the coatings back on it. Because he's a claimant, he's in one of our Tesla rental cars, no cost to him. Doesn't have a deductible. Everything is going to be OEM right here. So again, appreciate the love, the support for the new collision center. But yeah, it's all about the prep, guys. You gotta have it perfect. I mean, this body line, huge, just cannonball dent. So peace, love, Austin Auto Finishes.